so much. Safety is everyone's concern. So please, if you see an unattended item on any metro train, station, or bus, simply ask, is that your bag? If not, bring it to the attention of any metro employee or contact Metro Transit Police at 202-962-2121. Also, as a reminder, eating, drinking, and smoking